Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to answer the SQL entry question. The question is here, how to update a value in a table using a replace string function. So we know replace is the string function. So by using the replace function, how to update the values in the column of your table. So here in employee table, I have one column called position. If you observe the position, it is saying admin MGR, accounts MGR, finance MGR, all these things. So now I want to update this position as admin manager. I want to update all these positions. Wherever MGR is there, I want to update entire MGR as manager. So for that I am using update statement along with replace function. So I am using update table MP set position equal to. So here I am using a replace function. So replace take three arguments. First one is expression. I am taking expression as position, there is nothing but column name. And second one is part of the string. That means substring. So substring in the column I am taking here as MGR. And third one is replacement string. So I want to replace this MGR with manager. So update employee set position column name replace with position and this is substring, this is replacement string. I am executing this query. So here I am taking position spelling mistake here. 10 rows are executed. If you check this one, so all positions wherever you find the uh, MGR will replace with manager. So this is how you need to use the replace function and update your column of table as per your requirement. Thank you very much.